Hello students, welcome back to class 5 EVS subject and I'm Ms. Nehali Topiwala. We are going to start with a new chapter in EVS, chapter number 5, Seeds and Seeds. Now students, what do you mean by seed? Seeds may be in many kinds, different shape, different texture, different flavors, different size. In many size and shape seeds are there. Right dear students? So in this chapter we are going to learn about each and every seeds that we are in touch or familiar with it, or some seeds are such that we are not familiar with. So let's see the chapter. So here is the chapter number 5, Seeds and Seeds. Gopal was waiting for his Mossy family to visit them. They will be coming the next day for their holidays. He was thinking about all the fun and nice food that he would have with his cousins. Just then his mother called out, Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak 2 small bowls of chanas. She was going to his Bua's house and would return only in the morning. So there was a boy named Gopal, and Gopal was eagerly waiting for his Moses family. She was going to come for the holidays. The next day, means the next day they were going to visit their house. So what he was thinking, like he was thinking to he was thinking to have all the funs and nice food with them, with his cousins. So just then he was thinking, his mother called out that Gopal, before you sleep, remember to soak. Soak मतलब भिगो के रखना. 2 bowls of चना ग्राम. चना means जो चना हम खाते हैं, चना मसाला या चना चाट वाले जो चना होते हैं, that is known as चना. So his mother told that you please soak मतलब भिगो के रखना 2 bowls of चना ग्राम. She was going to his Bua's house. She was visiting her Bua's house and would return in the morning only. So he was soaking the chana. As he was soaking the chana, Gopal thought, how will 2 small bowls of this be enough for 8 persons? So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that the chana was overflowing from the vessel. How much did you soak? Asked his mother. How did that happen? Wondered Gopal. So when Gopal was soaking the chana, he thought that how will 2 bowls of chana be enough for 8 persons? 8 person के लिए 2 bowl कैसे enough हो गए? So he soaked another 2 bowls of chana. So he in total his mother told to soak only 2 bowls, but he soaked 4 bowls. When his mother returned the next morning, she saw that chana was overflowing from that bowl in which he has soaked the chana. From that the chana was overflowing, मतलब कि बाहर गिर रहे थे सारे from the vessel. How much did you soak? His mother asked him. So Gopal was wondering that what is happening? How did this happen? So you soaked too much. Anyway, it is good. Now I will cook half of them and leave the other half to sprout. I can send this to your aunt. The doctor has told her to eat sprouts, mother said. She tied half of the soaked chana in a wet cloth and hang them up to sprout. Now what happened? So his mother told, okay, no problem if you have soaked so many, it's good. Anyway, it is very good. Now what I will do is I will cook half of them and leave the half to sprout. Sprout matlab your mother also sometimes soak some seeds like this and she keep for sprout. Sprout matlab uske jo वो होते हैं फनगावेला in Gujarati we say like फनगावेला. So that is known as sprout. So she is saying that I will send this to your aunt as well. Doctor has told her to eat that sprouts also. So she tied half of the chana in the wet cloth. You must have noticed your mother tying that seeds in the wet cloth to get them sprout. If they are tied in a cloth and hang them up to sprout, hang them, then they turn out into sprout. Now discuss. What things are soaked before cooking in your house? Why? Some types of things means some seeds are been soaked in your house also. Your mother soaks some of the things at house like chana, then moong, then murt, all this type of seed, masoor, or say rajma, or say what you can say, chole chana. All this thing your mother soak them before cooking. So why it is so? Because this all things are, these seeds are very hard to eat, so we need them to get softened first. उसको सॉफ्ट होने के लिए छोड़ना पड़ता है, एंड सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न वी नीड टू सोक देम, एंड सो वी कैन कुक देम easily. What things do you eat after sprouting? How are they sprouted? How much time does it take? What things do you eat after sprouting? Like we eat sprout निकलने के बाद, उसके sprout निकलने के बाद we eat like मूंग से, we say मठ, then we eat chana. All these things are like after sprouting only we eat them. How they sprout? So they sprout if we soak them for 4 to 5 hours, or for say 5 to 6 hours, and then if we tie them in a cloth and keep them aside, then it gets sprouted. If we have tied up and kept it at night, so all overnight, it takes all overnight, and the next morning we can get it sprouted. Has the doctor or someone you know ever told you to eat sprouts? Why? Is there any doctor or someone has told you that you should eat sprouts things? Why? Because it is very nutritious, children. It gives it has nutrients. Many nutrients are present in this soaked pulses or soaked sprouts. So we all need to eat it. So next, here is an experiment for you, dear students. Do this and find out. Do you remember that in class 4th you did an activity with seeds? Now try another one. So what you have to do, here is an activity that you have to perform. So you can do it at your home as per the instructions over here. So take some chana and 3 bowls. What you have to do is take some chana, it must be present at your home, and you have to take 3 bowls. Put 5 chana in the first bowl and fill it up with water. What you have to do, 5 chana you put it and put that in the bowl and fill it with water. Put a damp piece of cloth or some cotton wool in the second bowl. Now what you have to do is put a damp cloth or some cotton and in the second bowl. Now keep the same number of chanas in it. Now what you have to do is you have to keep the same number of chana, 5 chanas in it. Make sure that the cotton, wool or cloth remains wet. And what you have to do is you have to make sure, you have to keep watching that the cotton, wool, if you have kept the cotton over there or cloth, whatever you have kept, it should be wet. Now next is put the same number of chanas in the third bowl and do not put anything else in it. Cover all the 3 bowls. Now what you have to do in the third bowl is you have to put the same number of chanas. Means first you have put 5, in the second bowl also 5, and third bowl also you have to put the same number, that is 5. But in that third bowl you should not put anything, and you just should have to cover the 3 bowls. All the 3 bowls you should cover it. Now observe after 2 days and note the changes in the bowl. Now what you have to do is you have to observe all the bowls for 2 days. After 2 days, and you have to note the changes in the bowl. So what will be the changes? If you will do this experiment, you will get the answers accordingly. So in the first bowl, first question is, are the seeds getting air? See, are the seeds getting air? Means first bowl is filled with water. Okay, second bowl is filled with cotton and wet cloth, and third bowl is filled with nothing. It is just empty. So in the first bowl there is no air. Second bowl, yes, it is getting, and third bowl it is also getting. Are the seeds getting water? So are the seeds getting water? The first bowl, yes, it is getting, because as we have soaked in the water only. Second bowl, yes, it is getting. Third bowl, no. What changes did you see? So what will be the changes in the bowl? If you will see in the first bowl, as it is soaked in the water, the size of the seeds will grow bigger. Okay, in the second bowl, if you will see, it will be just normal size. And third bowl, as there is nothing, you cannot see any changes. Have the seeds sprouted? Now what you can see, in water, seeds never sprout. If you have kept in the water only, the seeds never sprout in the water. So first bowl, it will not be that. You can try this activity at home and you can notice the changes also, students. And second bowl, yes, it can sprout because it is kept in wet water, and it doesn't contain much quantity of water. In the third bowl, you cannot see any changes. It has seeds has not sprout, as it is not soaked, not nor it has been kept in the wet cloth, so there will be no changes in it. You can try this activity at your home and you can see the difference. So tell and write, in which bowl did the seeds sprout? What difference did you see between this bowl and the other bowls? So in which bowl did the seeds sprout? Second bowl. Why? Because it doesn't contain much amount of water, and the seeds are also soaked, as well as what the thing is that it gets the थिंग टू स्प्राउट, उसको उतना क्वांटिटी में वाटर और सब मिल जाता है ताकि वो स्प्राउट हो सके. वाई डिड गोपाल्स मदर ट्राई द चना इन अ डैम्प क्लॉथ? वाई शी टाइड इट? सो टाइंग इट टाइटली, the thing, what you will say, that the seeds will get heat inside it, and due to that, what happens, the sprout comes out. The sprout comes out without water. It is the we should not put the seeds in the water if we wanted to get it sprout. Sprouting time of seeds may vary according to the temperature and humidity of the weather. So if it is very cold weather, the sprout takes much time to get it sprouted. Okay, but if you will keep in the normal room temperature, and if it is summer season, then the sprout will come out soon, because there is that it may differ according to the temperature of the weather. In this rainy season also, you can see that sprouts come out soon also. You can ask your mother about these things, that when does the sprout comes out easily, in which season it comes out, in which temperature it comes out easily. Now what is the next thing? Draw carefully at your sprouted chana and make it drawing. Now if you have done the thing at your home, if you have done this activity, now you can see that chana sprouted and you can make it drawing. See what is there in this box. When you split the whole masoor, you get me, masoor, dal. But when you cannot sprout me, can you think why? But then you cannot sprout me. So if you have seen the whole मसूर आपने देखा होगा, तो वो आई थिंक सो लाइक ग्रेइश टाइप और ब्राउनिश टाइप इट लुक्स, द सीड्स लुक लाइक दैट. बट इफ़ यू गेट मी स्प्लिट मतलब उसको उसके होल मसूर में से दो पार्ट करना, स्प्लिट करना उसको, तो वो क्या बन जाती है, मसूर दाल बन जाती है. बट देन यू कैन नॉट स्प्राउट मी. वाई वी कैन नॉट स्प्राउट द मसूर दाल? एज इट इज़ स्प्लिटेड. इट इज़ स्प्लिटेड मतलब उसको दो भाग में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, तो वो इट कैन नॉट गेट स्प्राउटेड. इट इज़ नॉट स्प्राउटेड देन. कैन यू थिंक वाई? So why does this happen? So why it doesn't sprout? Because the masoor loses its capacity to sprout as it is split, and so it doesn't hold that thing, and therefore it doesn't sprout. Now see, next is an project you need to do it. So let's see what it is. So here is a project, plant your seed. Dear students, you must have done the seed germination thing at your home, or in school some project must be given to you. It is related with some of the things are related over here. Now what you have to do is take a clay pot or a tin can with a wide mouth. You have to take a pot if you are having gamla, or you can take anything, tin also you can take, can also you can take, with a wide mouth whose mouth is open. Make a hole at the bottom of the can. Now what you have to do is, if you take a pot, it will be vase. If you will take, it may be having the hole at the bottom of it, but if you take a can, you need to do a hole, small hole at the bottom of the can. Fill your can with soil. Now you have to fill it with the soil. Put 4 or 5 seeds of same kind in the soil and press them gently. Now what you have to do is, you have to put 4 or 5 seeds of same kind. Like if you are using mustard seed, mustard means rye, right? If you are using that, then you have to put rye only. If you are using fenugreek, fenugreek means methi. If you are using sesame, sesame means til. Or if you are using coriander, coriander means dhania. So you have to put the same kind of seeds in the soil and press them gently. Different group can plant different kinds of seeds such as mustard. As I told you, mustard means rice, sarso, fenugreek, methi, sesame, til, or coriander, dhania. You have to do this activity. Now what you have soak, you have to write that. Write name of the seed. If you have sown mustard, then you write your mustard. Fenugreek, then fenugreek. Sesame, then sesame, or coriander, then you have to write the name of coriander and the date on which you planted them. Suppose you have planted on 8th or 9th, then you have to write the same date over here. Or whenever you plant that plant, you have to write the date, and the day you observe something coming out of the soil, start filling the table. Now what you have to do, this is the table. Okay, now date you have to write, and the height of plant. If you find that something are coming up, plant is coming up, so you have to measure it in centimeter. Height of the plant you have to measure, number of leaves you can see on it, or any other changes you can see. Then date wise you have to fill this table. This is also a project that you have to do at your home and fill this table. Okay. Now what you can do is, to find the height of a plant, use thread and then measure it on the scale. You can use a thread, एक धागा लेके आप उसकी हाइट मेजर करके देन यू कैन पुट इट ऑन द स्केल एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट इफ इट इज 2 centimeter. If the thread is of 2 centimeter, you can write 2 centimeter. If it is of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, in this way, and you have to fill this table. I wish that you can do this project at home also, dear students, in this time, and you can fill this box in your textbook. Okay. Now what is the question over here? What you will find out. Now how long did it take for a plant to come out from the soil? Now if you have put the seeds today, and if you want that how time did it take to come out? So maybe after 2 days or after 3 days. So what was that time it took to come out from the soil? What was the difference in the height of the plant on the first and the second day? Now you have to see the difference between, अभी फर्स्ट डे पे अगर उसकी हाइट 2 सेंटीमीटर थी और सेकेंड डे पे 3 or 4 सेंटीमीटर इट रेज, देन व्हाट वाज द डिफरेंस? सो डिफरेंस वाज दैट यू आर वाटरिंग इट, एंड as students see, you also need food to grow, right? But we don't grow in 1 or 2 day. Like our height doesn't increase in 1 or 2 day. We need some time to take this. We need some time to grow faster. Okay, but this plant, what they can do, if we water it daily, they grow very fast. On which day did the height of the plant increase the most? You have to notice that on which day that it has increased the most. उसकी height कब कौन से दिन में ज़्यादा बढ़ी है? Did new leaves came out of the plant every day? You have to find that leaves are coming out every day from that plant. Was there any change in the stem of the plant? Stem, उसके जो stem होते हैं उसमें कोई changes you can see or not? That you have to find out. You can do this activity when you will personally do this activity of sowing the seeds, and then only you will come to know about these questions. Now there is some discussion that we can do over here is, which seeds took the most number of days for the stem to come out of the soil? Now if you will sow 2 seeds in different can, at that time you will find this difference. So which seeds take the most number of days to come out from the soil, that you have to write. Which seed took the least days to come out of the soil? Which seeds ने लेस नंबर ऑफ डेज में वो सॉइल में से बाहर निकल गए, दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. विच सीड्स डिड नॉट ग्रो एट ऑल, वाई? कौन से सीड्स ऐसे हैं जो उगे ही नहीं, क्यों? सो दिस यू कैन डू when you will soak, you will do this project in 2-3 different seeds. Did anyone's plant dry up or turn yellow? Why did this happen? Did anyone's plant dry up or turn yellow? Means सूख गए, किसी का plant सूख गया. Why? Because you may have not watered it daily. If you will not water the plant, it may dry up, or it may die also, or turn yellow also. What would happen if the plants do not get water? See students, if we do not get water, we get exhausted, right? We get dehydrated. We need water in our body. So in the same way, if plants do not get water, they will not grow. They also needs moisture. They also needs it. They make their food with photosynthesis, but they need air, light, water, everything they need. They also need sunlight to make their own food. So in this way, if you will not put water to the plants, they will not grow and they will die. Now next is straight from your heart. So what do you think from your heart? That is that. What is inside the seed? Now sometimes you might be wondering that what is there inside these seeds and how it is made and how ये सब उगा है और कैसे बना है. You must have wondering these things. You must have many questions in your mind. So how does a big plant grow from a tiny seed? Sometimes you may notice that from a tiny seeds, like from apple seed, or from say mango seed, or from say orange seed, there are many big trees. Okay students, so how these are how it grows, that is the question over here. Think and imagine what would happen if plant would walk. Draw a picture. Now what you have to do is think and imagine. अगर आप सोचो तो क्या सोचोगे कि अगर plants would walk, सो वैसे वॉकिंग वाले प्लांट्स का पिक्चर आपको ड्रॉ करना है. व्हाट वुड हैपन इफ प्लांट्स वॉक? कैन प्लांट्स वॉक डियर स्टूडेंट्स? नो, नॉट एट ऑल. दे कैन नॉट वॉक. दे आर एज सच दे आर लिविंग बीन, बट दे living things, but they do not walk like us. Now find out, do some plants grow without seeds? Now this is an activity that you have to find out, that are some plants that grow without seed? बिना seed के कोई plant ऐसा है जो उगता है? Yes or no, that you have to find out.